Hello everyone, cool hairstyles coming up in this video. Get your hair washed and get ready for these lovely hairstyles. Grab the hair from the sides and tie in the right middle and have a knot and have it secure the rubber band. Then grab another section of the hair right below the first one and have it crisscross each other and have it secure in the rubber band by the left middle part. Then grab another section of the hair below that to it and have it a knot and tie it to the rubber band. Then another section of the hair coming up below that and do the crisscross design and have it secure with another rubber band. Do continue the same until you reach the bottom part of your hair. Then with the remaining section of the hair at the bottom, split them into three parts and have it braided in a very thicker manner. So once when you finish the braiding, how the braids ends secure the rubber band and also how the braid sides stretched out a little bit for the loopy design but only on the right side. Then make the braid go to the left and bend the tail down and secure that with little hairpin. Get the sides of your hair, have it in the middle and make it crisscross each other and have it tighten a little bit, then have it secure the rubber band. Then grab another section of the hair right below the first one and have the left one dropped into the middle one and have it secure with the rubber band. Then do one more time, having it in center and having it secure with the rubber band again. And have another section of the hair right below the third one and have it secure on the opposite side on the right and drop it inside going to a twisted band. Do the same for the left section as well. Then with the remaining hair at the bottom, split them into two parts and have it braided in a very thicker manner. So do continue the braiding for the right side and make the braids go to the top and secure there with hairpin. Grab the sides of your hair and tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside going for a favorite twisted band. Then grab another section of the hair right below the first one and going for a twisted band once again. Do it one more time and have a twisted band again we have. Then with the remaining section of the hair, split them into two parts and have each of them split them into three parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. So once when you complete the braid, have the braids end secure with the rubber band. Then do the braiding on the left section as well. Then after that, make the braids crisscross each other and have it on the opposite direction and secure that with a hairpin. Now fold it into half and secure it on the opposite side as well. Then drop in your favorite hairpin. Grab the sides of your hair and make it crisscross each other and have it tighten a little bit, then secure the ends with the rubber band. Then grab another section of the hair right below the first one and have it cross each other and tighten it the same way and have it attach another rubber band. Do it one more time, make it totally thrice. Then after that with the remaining section of the hair, split them into two parts and have each of them split them into three parts and have it braided in a very thicker manner. So do the braiding and how the braids end secure with the rubber band and do the braiding on the left section as well. Then after that make the braid go to the top and bend the tips over and have a hairpin attached in the middle as well as in the tip and drop in your favorite hairpin. Make a lovely bunch out of your gorgeous hair and at the last loop of the rubber band create a lump and stretch it out a little bit volume. Then have a remaining section of the ponytail, split them into two parts and have it twist across each other into a thicker braid. And after you braid it, have the braids end secure the rubber band and pinch out the braids to the maximum as you could for boosting out the volume. Then have the braids go across the rubber band covering it the whole. Then have it secure with another rubber band. Then separate the twist a little bit for boosting even more volume. Then also don't forget to pinch out the hair on the top section as well. Then also do pinch out the hair on the buns making it even more volume. Grab the sides of your hair and tie in the middle of the rubber band and grab a strip of hair from the left side and drop it into its own loop. Then have another section of the hair on the right side and drop it into the right loop respectively. Then combine both of them together into a common tail. Then having this loop as a reference, have another strip of hair from the left side and drop it inside the loop we just now created. Then have another section of the hair from the right just below the first one and drop it inside the same way. Then tie it together into a common tail. Do continue the same until you reach the bottom middle part of your tail and have the end secure with the rubber band. Then after that, drop in your favorite hair clutcher collection. If you want, you can decorate with the hairpins. Thank you everyone for watching this video.